Participants: Isabel Orozco Zuluaga and Tatiana Jaramillo Quiseno. University: La Gran Colombia Armenia. Lisbon, the city that speaks. Through its story, reflects its ability to adapt to its environment, a place where life ends and starts again. Location: the project is planned in Lisbon, Portugal, exactly in Cais do Sodré, between Boa Vista Street and Rua Don Luis. For the contest, a master plan had to be proposed in which we determined our intervention polygon, as shown in the image.
To propose the purpose of the master plan, we had to cover the walking radius of the one camp around. The first master plan proposes connect the entire intervention site to town and includes free lines network. The second purpose is to enhance the Boa Vista plot, so that makes that tourist activity in the correct in non-relevant sites, in order to have more than silent M2 and to maximum the regularity in the plot. The third and the final purpose is the comfort and the safety, to generate diverse and inclusive spaces, in order to continue to contribute to the improvement of the quality of life of the people. Next, observing the intervention in the isometric and the code, taking into account the bioclimatic and the place.
Design theory in the Dual Nature project is the ecological succession in relation to the historical legacy of Lisbon as a resilient city that reemerged from tragedies and carries with it a dual nature between past and present, life and death, water and earth. The concept that we apply to the project is duality. In it is achieved to embody the intensity of highlighting the historical legacy and reinterpret events time through the pattern of composition, which is the void and mixed materials. The public space was designed and thought to connect and articulate the immediate buildings and provide an articulation and connectivity with the Rua Vista and the Rua Don Luis, where different specialties and uses were raised within this.
Further sector refers to that vegetation in the mixture of Atlantic, European, and Mediterranean with some African space. The climate encourages year-round growth and the considerable variety of the flora. This in part 1. 3 fine points. 2. Has dual circulation oriented toward the facade. 3. Modulation of the willingness for cause of the true part 3. 4. Voids for free ventilation and natural lighting. Structural axis. The project consists of the 2 horizontal and the 7 vertical. The legs between the vertical axis and the components of the 12 m designed on the foreign application on the 343 cups. The legs between the vertical axis are the components of 9 m designed to form an application on the 343 cups.
Structure. We have columns of composite section, raving steel and filled with concrete, which allow greater economy and greater resistance in the project, as well as holding the rigid connection between the columns and beams of the project, in order to avoid the braces in the building.
The building has 2 parking basements and a certain number on the cellars. 2 type plans were made, which allow the diversity of the typologies and the distribution of the chips. Facade system. Dual system is facade, light and determined control, climate adaptability extensions. Dual materiality, laminate wood, glass, concrete, textile membrane, polyester fabric. Circulations, ensure natural length, landscape use, thermal comfort, and stainless steel laminate glazed.
Shared typology. Artists with cooking liking, haircore, kitchen, and living room. Typology 1 room. Artists with cooking liking, haircore, kitchen, and bedroom. Passionate artists, haircore, art workshop. Typology 2 rooms. Independent artist, haircore, terrace. Family artist, haircore, principal room, and terrace.
The horizontal building is the building and industry reach in the proposed, according to the paints alike in the competition. In this case, we kicked underground and could generate another level in the building. But in the recycling project, we propose to maintain the 3-4 points and the total structure too much. In relation to the bullying, we did not want the having the commentary, the concept, and the spatial fruits. Sites would have true fit point and the reverse circulation. So rubbed it with definite and the problem points in order that both have to sign language and learning.
Associated companies with the project. 6 of the 7 belongs to the group Saint-Gobain, and the other is an European company with a headquarters in Lisbon, which allows a reduction in cost and transportation.